We're going to be changing these to incandescent lights. There are two different colors and two LED lights, and see how they turn out. This is the lights I got off Amazon, and these are 1157 LED. That's the light bulb size. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and it's plug and play. Ooh. So just push back from the back side and it'll pop out like that. On the back there's just a little tab. Here that you just gotta pop out by holding this clip here and pulling. Pretty easy. Okay, now you got this. I'm pretty sure there's a twist. Yep. And pops right out like that. Now you just replace the bulb. Old, new. Oh shit. I think you just pull out. Oh, it's push and twist. Okay. Pops out like that. New one goes right in and twist to lock it in. Same thing. Once it's in, twist it to lock it in. Reconnect it. That should be, yeah, there you go. Slide it back in. Perfect. What's going on here? That one wasn't going in, so I just loosened this one a bit, then tightened this one, then it started going back in. Okay, now let's take a look and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that is significantly brighter than the last one. Here, see if you can tell. Left, incandescent, right, LED. It's a pretty big difference.